All right, let's do some counting atoms. I've already started this worksheet from your homework, but let's go ahead and see where I left number 10 because number 10 has a lot of items going on. There's a coefficient, which goes through everything. And there's also a parentheses of 3, or 3 after the parentheses, which means that 3 only relates to that set there. Okay, so I can rewrite this as 5GA2. And then I'm going to take out the parentheses. So I'm going to just distribute this to each one of those. So 3 times 2 is 6. So CR now is a 6. 7 times 3 is 21. So O is now a 21. So now I have 5, which goes across this whole thing. GA2, CR6, O21. And all those guys on the bottom are how many atoms we have in the compound or molecule. Okay, but we have 5, and this refers to the sets. So we have 5 sets of this molecule. Okay, so that means there's actually 10 galliums. 5 times 2 is 10. There is 5 times 6, 30 chromiums. And 5 times 21, there's 105 oxygens. So go super slow when you do this. Let's do the next one. Okay, there are 7 sets of 2 chromiums and 2 sulfurs. So 7 times 2 is 14, and 7 times 2 is 14. 4 sets of iron oxide. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 6 sets of barium permanganate. Okay, so that has a lot of extra steps in it. So let's just go write it over here. 6BaMnO4, 2. So this means there's 2 sets of MnO4, so I want to distribute that too. So I end up with 6 barium, 2 magnesium, and 8 oxygens. But I still have 6 sets of this guy, so there are 6 bariums. 6 times 1 is 7. Remember that 1 is inferred. Magnesium, 6 times 2 is 12. And 6 times 8 is 48. 3 V2O5s, so 6 Vs, 15 5s. 2 potassium nitrates, 2 potassiums, 2 nitrates, and 2 times 3, 6 oxygens. 9 magnesium sulfates, 9 magnesiums, 9 sulfurs, 9 times 4, 36 oxygens. Oh, we got a longer one here, so let me just go over here. 5 Al2, and then Si2O6. So I just distributed that 2 just to the other ones with the parentheses. That 2 does not go with the aluminum because there's no parentheses around the aluminum. But the set always goes for the entire guy. So 5 times 2, 10 aluminums. 5 times 2, 10 silicons. 5 times 6, 30 oxygens. Okay, and again here, we're going to distribute. So we have 4 gold iodates. And the I, the 3 gets distributed. The O, the 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 9 is 36.